Hi mga Kalaagan! Ako si Kalaagan Fritz at ito ang Laagan sa Cebu Pageantry All Access. Don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel at Laagan sa Cebu and click the bell button for notification. Like our official Facebook page at Laagan sa Cebu. It's another pageant episode and another pageant king na naman ang machichikahan natin sa araw na to. Help me welcome Mr. Island Tourism Philippines 2025 who will be representing Province of Leyte. We have Mr. Christ Tungason Malibago. Hello, Christ. All right, now let's get the ball rolling, no? What makes your hometown or province unique in terms of culture and tourism?
Knowing the province of Leyte, we come to a lot of history. But for one, it would be about the World War II, the MacArthur National Memorial Park. It signifies the honor, the bravery of our fellow Filipino troops who fought for the Japanese liberation, and that it felt like that we really are tough and brave enough to conquer with all the challenges that we face. And up till now, we really embody that value.
Oh, palaban baga, diba? But what makes you unique?
What makes me unique aside from my name?
Yes, talaga aside from your name, malapit pa naman yung Holy Week na.
For me, I am a student athlete, so I got to really balance my responsibility when it comes to my training and to academic. For me, it's about me balancing, having time management, knowing my priorities.
Oh, I see. But what makes you turn on?
What makes me turn on? It would be being said that you are doing good, even though I felt like I was not enough. In that, it made me felt that okay, in the vision or in the eyes of others, did they really see that you are really doing well, and that made me eager to really learn more and to grow.
Oh, I see. Now, if you will be serving me a certain dish or delicacy from province of Leyte, what would be that delicacy or certain dish that you will serve it to me that represents you and why?
It would be the binago from the hometown of my mother.
Yes! I know! Nakuhan ko na yan. Natikman ko na yan. Sarap niyan. Yes!
Binago because I'm as sweet as binago.
Ah! Sweet! Ang kanon pala. Sweet pala siya. But, why you should be the next Mr. Island Tourism Philippines 2025?
I should be the next Mr. Island Tourism Philippines 2025 because I embody the values with this title, being authentic, the passion and purpose. This I can serve and collaborate with the organization with my experience to treasure, protect, and preserve our tourism, and most especially for our fellow Filipinos.
Wow! Ang dami natin nalaman sa pageant king natin sa episode ngayon. But before we continue, I would like to personally thank first our sponsor. I would like to personally thank Team Flora Dermatologica for always making me fresh because I am Team Flora Touch. I would like to personally thank also Mother Ronan. Thank you so much for always trusting Laagan sa Cebu. And also, you have to say thank you or your social media platform, please to invite them para where we can support you for the upcoming Mr. Island Tourism Philippines.
So, hello everyone. I would like to thank my sponsors from Options Boutique, Ma'am Chin Chin Chua, Sir Jessica Tiansa, Judge Sabari, and Sir Ricky Tinadora, and then Mother Rona, and to all who have helped me along this journey. Thank you so much. And also, you can follow me on my Instagram, Christ Malibago, and also into my Facebook account, Christ Tungason Malibago.
I see. Dami pala nagmamahal sa'yo. Now, ito first time ito sa Laagan sa Cebu, no? Masusubukan mo ang guilty or not guilty.
Let's see.
I will be asking just few questions lang, and let's see, answer it with guilty or not guilty. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Guilty or not guilty? had communication with your ex?
Not guilty.
So XX na talaga, ganon. Oh, okay. Guilty or not guilty? Nakipag-blind date.
Not guilty.
Oh!
Tend to do.
Oh, I see. So, crown talaga. Crown talaga yun. Okay, eto. Last na to. Christ, guilty or not guilty? Nakatulog na nakahubad.
Of course, guilty.
Ay! Pwede ba makatamin? Nakakaloka. Alright, makalagan. Once again, our Mr. Island Tourism Philippines, Province of Leyte, we have Mr. Christ Tungason Malibago. Thank you very much for guesting here at Lagan sa Cebu. It's an honor to have you here.
Honor also. Thank you.
You're welcome. And also congratulations on being part of Mr. Island Tourism Philippines 2025 and good luck on your coronation night.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. And also don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel at Lagan sa Cebu and click the bell button for notification. Like our official Facebook page at Lagan sa Cebu. You may also follow me on my TikTok account, Instagram, and Facebook at Fritz Gerald Alcaraz. Once again, ako si Kalaagan Fritz saying, stay safe. Be a responsible Kalaagan, and this is Laagan sa Cebu Pageantry All Access.